What's good, Shaunda dolls? This is Shaunda back again with another video. Today's video is sponsored by WIG. So, just opening up, doing a little unboxing. They gave me the wig, of course, and nylon cap and a little belt. I ain't get no lashes, nothing, y'all. I ain't get nothing else. This wig better be bomb. All right, it's looking a little hefty. You know, let me slide it out. I couldn't even, there was no tag on the wig to see what inch it is, but it looks pretty long, like about a 22 or 24. So let's check the inside. This is a 360 wig, lace wig. Look at, I'm already loving it. Okay, the lace is tinted. And look at all that pluckage in the front. I don't have to pluck anything. Look at all that. Girl, okay, wedwigs. What? Hold on, let me see. Look, guys, look at this. You don't have to pluck anything. It's so thin in the front. Oh, yeah, baby hair is about to be popping. So right now I'm getting ready to bleach my knots. And because I did see the knots protruding a little bit. So it wasn't really bad, but you know, I want to bring the best out of this wig because the hair feels really nice already, and I think I'm going to really like this wig. I'm loving that lace, the tint on that lace already. That's awesome. So I'm just spraying it with a little got-to-be glue so I won't make any accidents as far as leakage goes. You know, I just want to protect the hair. So I'm lightly applying this bleach on the knots, and I'm just giving it a little bit of pressure, just a wee bit, just so I know that it's working. So while that's bleaching, I'm going to go ahead and apply this nylon cap to my big old head and get my got to be glued. That's like a tongue twister. Got to be glued gel. I don't plan to wear this for like days and days and days because I switch wigs often. So this might last me about 2 days and that's it. But this stuff really works. Like, you don't necessarily need glue. Like, this right here will do the trick. Child, the cap was so tight on this head that it left a whole red mark, y'all. Look at that. That's, I swear, just strangling my poor head. Okay, this is a 360 wig, but I'm not going to glue the back down because I don't plan to pump this up into a ponytail or anything. So I'm just going to cut the lace off the back. And also what I noticed while cutting the lace is that it has 2 combs in the back. Listen, y'all, I've worn a lot of wigs. I've never seen 2 combs in the back of a wig. I know I didn't show y'all, but I'm telling you what it is. I'm telling you what I know. It's 2. There you see the 2 combs? I don't see that often. It's usually that one irritating comb in the back. So now I'm just tightening the belt because I need this to fit really snug on my dome. And I'm getting ready to put her on. Okay. Yeah. That's what it seems like. That's what it seems like. Now that I have all my ears and stuff cut out, I am applying this got to be glued gel all around the perimeter of the front part, the lace front. I'm not doing the back, so it's not the perimeter, but just the front part. So it's a really thin application. I'm not gonna layer it too much. I'm gonna layer it, but I'm gonna layer it with the spray. not in the mood for no baby hairs this time around. I'm just gonna have my little pork chops on the side, my little sideburns, and that's it. So everything will be molded back. So I kind of felt like the part was a little full, so I just wanted to pluck out some hair within the part or near the part, just to be able to flatten that a little bit. This wig is very thick, which I love. Okay, I love that this wig is thick, but I don't want my part to look like that. I need my part to look somewhat, kind of believable. Now, sawing off this lace, I know it looks a little crunchy, like the little white crust along the edges. Don't worry about that. We're going to get rid of that, okay? Okay, so I'm finished with this side, and I'm getting ready to work on this side. But meanwhile, I'm just gonna pop off like this. So I had to snatch this look together and throw some lashes on. You can't have a whole bunch of hair without no lashes, right? You cute when you poke your lips out like that, okay? But I love this wig. I love how full it is. And I don't really like to have my wigs like all wet and juicy looking. I like this natural dry look. I like that look. And I got the sides all smooth back. The no baby hair look. I just wanted it to be all back. And I'm loving it. Wedwigs, you got a good wig here. Love this wig. It's not too full. It's just right. It's giving. Okay, it's giving perfect. All of the details to this wig is in the description box below. So if you want one for yourself and you're loving this wig, go and check it out. Click the link and it'll take you straight to it. And you can just order one yourself. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my wig here because I love it, okay? Check out my other videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And God bless you, and catch you on the next one.